everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flagpole. So fun story. Came home from work today. There was no water pressure. I thought for sure that the kids had left the water running or something fun like that. No, apparently our water pump, was it the pump died? I don't know, my husband could explain it. That's not my forte. Something with maybe a capacitor, which obviously made me think of Back to the Future with the flux capacitor. Man, now I can't remember what that's called. Anyway, this is a little bit of a rabbit trail, but we're without water, 4 kids. The bonus though is that I really can't do any dishes if we have no running water. So there's that. Anyway, we're always running into all kinds of weird stuff, right? Every single day is an adventure in life. Whether it's my life, whether it's your life, we've all got some kind of crazy going on at some point. So you just embrace it and make the most of it, right? Well, I hope that that's what you're doing, because we're certainly seeing some very interesting times here in the U.S. And really silly things like having to replace your water pump are the least of our concerns, right? So stay safe out there. Let's roll with the punches, and I hope that you're having a great week so far. Only one day away from the weekend. Woohoo! I can't wait.